Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today it's just a short video on my prep item this week. So last week I was talking about corn flour and I used some from another company, but when I called the company to order more, they were out. They were not producing their product anymore. So I went searching. I found Bob's Red Mill, and we use a lot of Bob's Red Mill already, so I know the company. And corn flour, it's stone ground, whole grain, organic, the whole 9 yards. I was okay with that. So I ordered 2 boxes, which there's 4 in each box. So I've got enough corn flour to last us a long, long time, since Danny likes the corn flour. And we can make Danny corn and grind it, but it takes a long, long time to get it to the flour stage. We can make grits and cornmeal faster than we can make flour. So to have this on hand, I'm putting it in the fridge. The other thing, steel cut oats. I ordered a box of that, and I've never had steel cut oats, y'all. Never, never, never. This was a eye-opening challenge for me this morning. It takes a lot longer to cook them. They taste good, but I could not get them to the creamy stage, so I've got to learn how to cook steel cut oats. I'd never seen them like this before. Danny has. He's had it before like this. But this was not something that I was used to. So the steel cut oats was another. I got 4 packs of those. I think there's 4. Yeah, 4 in the box of those to try. And they should make some really good stuff. I could really use them in baking and things like that. I could put them in the processor and grind them up. Lots of things that I can do with steel cut oats. Okay, to get it to free shipping, there was I had to order a little extra because I wasn't quite there yet. And so I ordered some of their organic corn grits or polenta. I'm going to have a video up on this before long, I think, on using the grits as polenta. And again, it's all Bob's Red Mill. I ordered from Bob's Red Mill. I did not order from Amazon. I did not order from Walmart. I ordered from the company, and it seemed to be a reasonable price. One thing I wanted to try was the cassava flour. I had people tell me that someone gluten-free or gluten intolerant could handle the cassava flour better than the other flours that are gluten-free. So we're going to try that. But guys, the price, $67.79. This is the price of them. And I am not affiliated in any way with Bob's Red Mill. This is not a paid promotion. I'm just showing you. This is what I paid. Some of you may think it's a little expensive, but this will last us probably a long time. I mean, really, really long time. And this will go in storage. You can take and put the grits, the oats in jars and vacuum seal them, or in packages and vacuum seal them. They can all of it can be vacuum sealed. The corn flour I could oven can and put them in jars. So I've got a lot to do and get this done, but I've got a lot of carrots. So I got to get busy with the carrots. These are going in the fridge, and I just keep them cool till I get ready to deal with it. So guys, I'm going to put these in the refrigerator outside in the storage room, the canning storage room. That's why we have it. And when I get time, I will work on canning these, either oven canning, vacuum sealing, whatever needs doing, I will get that done. But I got carrots right now. So I've got to get these stashed, get it all done, and get started on carrots. And guys, this is my prep item this week. It doesn't have to be Bob's Red Mill that you like. If you find flour, sugar, grits, oatmeal, anything that you use on a semi-regular basis, if you use it 2-3 times a month, buy up 3 or 4 packs. That ensures you some for the year. Just an idea. Thank you guys from Crazy Days.